This morning heard arguments on the controversial Texas immigration law.
The judges did not give a timetable for when they could rule on whether Senate Bill 4 can take effect. Now, that law would allow police to arrest people suspected of illegally crossing the southern border. KXAN's Mercedes Hernandez has been watching this for us. And Mercedes, we understand that Texas attorneys are kind of going back and forth with federal courts. Explain what's happening here.
Yes, they very much. It's been a little bit kind of reminiscent of ping pong, you guys. It was blocked last night by the Fifth Circuit Court of Appeals, just hours after the U.S. Supreme Court ruled that Texas officers could enforce this law. Now, supporters, including Governor Greg Abbott, say it bolsters border security. Those opposed say it will promote racial profiling in the state. Earlier this week, the Supreme Court issued a stay on the law before giving its ruling on Tuesday. That pause put back into effect by that federal appeals court last night. But this could very well go back before the United States Supreme Court.
Okay, what are some of the reactions we're hearing from local agencies?
Yes, so we have heard from the Austin Police Union. They say that this law is unlikely to affect operations here in Austin. APD did kind of double down on that and said that officers are, quote, unlikely to have cause to make warrantless arrests under SB 4.
So in that case, what's next for APD as all this is going on?
Yes, so the union said yesterday that the next steps for the department will be to sit down with city attorneys and kind of figure out how to navigate this law and interpret it, and then that guidance will be handed down to officers.
Okay, Mercedes Hernandez, thanks so much. Of course, we're tracking this. We have the latest on KXAN.com. Going in depth right now under SB 4, what would your rights be if you are stopped by officers? According to the American Civil Liberties Union of Texas, you do have the right to remain silent. You generally do not have to answer any questions about your immigration status, where you were born, or how you entered the country. But if you are stopped while driving, you do need to either provide a driver's license or your personal information that would be on the license. The ACLU also recommends you carry documentation with you that's proving either your legal presence, asylum, or DACA benefits.